Like they match. You are sexy, there's no doubt about it. Don't you break my benches. Don't.
We're good, bud.
Awesome. So I'll finish the video and show you how we made benches out of stair treads. Sweet. Because it's a new piece of wood, we want to make it look old, so my husband's going to push the hell out of it with some chains. Just to give it some type of dimension. I wonder what he thinks about when he does that. You can see it leaves some of the rust. Careful, don't get your leg. Get some of the rust in there. So when I go ahead and stain it, it's going to you know, look good. So it's going to get into the grooves and stuff and look vintagey. So
You should take the board and you beat it with a chain, just a regular chain, on the side that you want showing. And then the rounded side obviously is the pretty side. And then you flip it over. And then what we did was we measured 7 inches. So I made a mark there, made a mark there. Take the pencil, draw a straight line. So 7 inches on both sides. And then we brought the brackets in from the back 2 inches. And then you make a mark, because we want our brackets to come forward on the bench a little bit more. So 2 inches. And you just put the brackets right there. Get them lined up like so. Take some of these wood screws, 8x1. Thank you very much. And what I like to do is just put 1 screw in each side, and then flip it over. And I just like to make sure that it sits straight. She's lined up good.
Hi, and earlier I was showing you how I made a stair tread into a bench by hitting it with chains and attaching the legs. So I wanted to show you how I create a stain using paint. So I just take a little bit of paint. I'm using Weathered Wood by DIY Clay Paint, and I added some water until it's like soupy. I'm gonna pull this a little closer for you to see. Sassy's here hanging out. And another great thing about this paint is that it is it is safe and all natural. So if she does get a little bit in her mouth, she's gonna be okay. She hasn't seen me all day, so she's pretty excited. Sassy! You're gonna steal the show, girl! Okay, so I'm gonna take the sponge and I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. So it's kind of like, you know, it's almost like, it's just like the same way that you would use a stain, but it's watered down paint, which is easier. It smells better. It goes on better. It's not as hard to use. And I'm just gonna do long strokes like this. And it's because it's watered down, it's not going to cover it the way that, you know, a solid paint would. And you can keep layering it until you get as dark as you want. This is going to dry like a dark gray. The edges. So that's really all there is to it, you guys. Once it dries, I'm going to put a polyurethane top coat on it. If you want it to be outside, you're going to want to do an exterior top coat, water-based. But when it's dry, it's going to look like this. And I will show a picture at the end of the video. So for a recap, all you need to do is buy Stair Tread, buy some legs on Amazon or Etsy, attach them, ding it up if you want to, you don't have to. You can water down any color paint. You could do turquoise, you could do reds, you could do whatever you want to make it your style. And the wood grain would still show through, which is cool. And I'm super excited about how these turned out, and I'm thinking of selling them in my store and custom making them for people. There's pipe legs, which would look really cool too, so that's my next project.